In the case of grinding, this is a grain gauge, and as I already mentioned, it is given in Hegman unit. So you can find here the Hegman unit and here the micron. Now it starts with, for instance, that is this is from the base. Okay, so 100 micron, and the pigment size is reduced to 75 micron, and reduced further to 50 micron, and further reduced to 25 micron, and further reduced to almost 10 micron, 5 micron, etc. So here the particle size is getting reduced, but the Hegman unit will be increasing. So in fact we can make it as an equivalent around a 4 micron, 4 Hegman unit is around 53 micron, like that. And similarly 7 Hegman unit is around that is 23, 24, 10, 15 micron, 12 micron. It will be in that range. Okay. So it means for finish you should have around between 7 and 8, and for primer it should be around that is 4 to 5. Okay. And how it should be checked? Now after swiping the that is a pigment paste in the grain gauge unit, now you can find is a scattered front line like this. Okay, so are you able to see this here? The maximum is here, and this should be taken as what the grinding achieved. So in this case it is around 4. Now you can find here it is around 5, is it not? So 4.5 around 5, 4.75, 4.9 around. So almost you can take it as 5. Okay, so suppose if you are able to get, now let me blow up further. So let me say this is stage 7. Okay, so let me write here 7 Hegman, and 7 Hegman is around 12 micron, let us assume. Okay, so if you have achieved 7 micron means it will appear like this. That is, most of the pigment particle will be held or visible as a front line, and otherwise you can have very fine that is coating will be there. So this will be a thick coating, and here a scattered particle will be available as a front line, and based on that you can that is give the grinding achieved as a 7 Hegman unit. Okay, so as I already mentioned, 7H for finish and 4H for primers. Okay, so this is the way we have to check the pigment paste after grinding. Whether the grinding is achieved or not will be checked like this.